Got my lower intake manifold. It's for an LS3, so I got to get some LS1 adapter plates for it. Came with a whole bunch of O-rings for these bolt holes, and like a cut one to go around in here. Seal this off all the way. Shouts out to David from Superchargers Online. He gave me the hookup on this. But you could get one, probably be like $550 plus tax and shipping. So next, I'm gonna get another aluminum plate for this. It's gonna be way thinner than this. This is like overkill. Too thick, too heavy. Then I'm gonna sandwich the supercharger on it. Have it center. Probably fit right about there, but gotta get another one because it's too short. So under this thick aluminum plate, I'm gonna have another one that's a lot thinner, and it's just gonna trace this, go all the way around, and then I'll cut a hole in it once I figure out exactly where I want to have the supercharger at. And it's going to be sitting like that. So right now, from the bottom of this to the top, all the way up here, it's about 10 inches. So from the bottom of this to the very top point, all the way in the back over there, it's going to sit up about 10 inches. Hoping I'm going to have just enough clearance to not have to cut this thing up, because I don't want it sticking out there. I think that looks stupid, but we'll see what I end up doing. For now, I'm not going to use an intercooler. I'll probably add one later, but it's about to be winter time. It's going to be cold enough. Hopefully it won't overheat and blow up. If so, that means time for an upgrade. Put an LS3 in there. Once it gets a little hotter, I'll probably add a little intercooler or give it a little bit of meth or something. It's a Wednesday, so hopefully by Monday I'll have another plate for this that's way thinner. Might make another one of these that's a little bit thinner too. It's too thick for me. And I will have some sort of adapter for this. So I made a gasket out of this earlier, using this throttle body from an LS3. That's a gasket for this. This is the gasket for the supercharger. I'm gonna overlay them. These two holes are gonna line up, and it's gonna look like that. So I am gonna lose a little bit of airflow up there and at the bottom, but I'm gonna have to make it like 3/4 of an inch so this throttle body can open. I don't have enough clearance right now, so the spacer might be a little thick. So hopefully I'll have this spacer and the aluminum plate by Monday. I might slap it on there and see how it's looking. Next, I gotta buy the adapter for the intake manifold for LS1 to a LS3, because that's a LS3 manifold. And gotta swap out this fuel rail. I just ordered some injectors, and I think they're 120 pounds. And I also ordered a single fuel pump. It's a 340. I'm also thinking about getting a 3D printer. So once I get that, I'll probably start modeling some of these in CAD, making a couple of iterations so I can get some better flow, because it's kind of ugly, but at least it'll run. Next update for this car will probably be on Monday when some more parts come in. In the meantime, I'm probably bring the M3 in the garage, swap the fuel pump out because I'm pretty sure it's dying on me. Get one from the 335 back here. It's got two, a 535 and a 525. Take one of those out, put it in here, and this car should be solid.